Are you ready for the next natural disaster or man-made emergency? What if I told you that in just 30 days and with only $150, you could have a solid preparedness foundation? This is the Venerable Owl channel, your home for no-nonsense prepping, especially for those in rural and off-grid areas. Today, I'm breaking down a realistic, step-by-step 30-day prepping plan that fits most any budget, even if you're just starting out to become more prepared. Stay tuned. Here's a day-by-day breakdown separated by week. Week 1, we'll focus on water and food basics. We'll plan on about $40. Days 1, 2, and 3, we'll focus on getting water storage and purification. Buy water containers that will store 7 gallons. Get unscented bleach or iodine tablets. Here's a special tip. 1 drop of bleach per quart equals safe water in emergencies. Days 4, 5, 6, and 7, focus on 3-day emergency food supply. Rice, beans, oats, canned soups, peanut butter, beef jerky. Don't forget to shop the store brands or discount grocers. Buy food that you know that you will eat. Week 2 will focus on power, light, and warmth. We'll budget $35. Days 8, 9, and 10, light sources. Buy a basic LED flashlight or skip if you already have a flashlight, but don't forget to consider AA and AAA batteries if needed. Days 11, 12, and 13, heat and cooking. Get a folding stove plus fuel tabs or sterno cans, or build a do-it-yourself hobo stove. Day 14, warmth and shelter. Obtain Mylar emergency blankets. Week 3, first aid and tools, $40. Day 15, 16, and 17, basic first aid kit. Bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipe, gloves, pain relievers. Don't forget dollar store and discount pharmacy kits. Day 18, 19, and 20, multi-tool or knife. Simple multi-tool with a knife, screwdriver, can opener. Day 21, fire starters. Now this is relatively straightforward, so you can get waterproof matches or my favorite, Bic lighter. Of course, you can also use cotton balls and Vaseline. Week 4, Bugout Bag and planning. Now in this week, week 4, we have $35 budgeted, and that should be some surplus allotment in the event that you went slightly over in an item or two, and to pay for printing of local maps. Now you can print these maps at home, or you can go to your local public library. Most libraries will charge 10 cents per page for black and white copies, 50 cents per page for full color. So days 22 through 25, assemble the Bugout Bag. Use an old backpack or a duffel bag. Go ahead and pack your flashlight, food, water, blankets, multi-tool, first aid kit. Days 26, 27, and 28. This is centered around your documents and maps. Print the local evacuation routes, gather your contact numbers, make copies of your ID and other insurance papers. Put those in your bag. Day 29 and 30. This is your practice run and review. Simulate a 24-hour power outage. This gives you a chance to identify the gaps and update your gear. And there you have it. 30 days, $150, and you're more prepared than 90% of the people out there. Preparedness doesn't have to be expensive. It just takes action and consistency. Hit that like button if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to the Venerable Owl channel for more rural and realistic prepping strategies. Drop a comment if you're planning on taking this 30-day challenge. Please visit our website at www.venerableowl.com and go to the resource page. You'll see the list of the transcript list of what we just discussed on this video. Remember, be prepared, get proper training, and learn new skills. Visit us on the web at www.venerableowl.com. Thank you for watching.